Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply automatic camera bounce effect in CapCut. Alright, so tap on your project and select your photos you want to edit, and I am going to open my project here. So just tap on the clip and select style button so you can find the camera bounce right here. Just click on it. Just wait for playing the effect. Alright, just click check mark and add to another clips. So do as before. And this effect can use only to photos, not for video. Alright, add to another clips until finish. Alright, so just click check mark and yeah, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.